Ever wondered how you can boost muscle growth naturally? Well, the answer might be simpler than you think. Today, we're diving into the world of powerful herbs that can aid muscle building. So buckle up and get ready for a journey into the botanical world. The first herb we're spotlighting is ashwagandha. This extraordinary herb does more than just alleviate stress and enhance sleep quality. It also plays a significant role in boosting muscle strength and endurance. With ashwagandha, you have the power to go the extra mile during your workouts. Then, we have Tribulus terrestris. This herb, renowned for its use in enhancing athletic performance over centuries, promotes muscle growth. It does this by raising testosterone levels in the body, leading to an increase in muscle mass and strength. Third in line is rhodiola rosea. This adaptogenic herb is a game changer. Not only does it rev up energy levels and sharpen mental focus, but it also cuts down muscle fatigue. This means you can train harder and bounce back faster. Our fourth herb is fenugreek. This herb is a powerhouse that triggers an increase in insulin release. This process aids your muscles in absorbing more nutrients and amino acids, promoting muscle growth and improving recovery after intense workouts. Finally, we have maca root. This potent herb comes loaded with essential nutrients that support muscle growth and boost stamina. Plus, it plays a crucial role in regulating hormones, paving the way for optimal muscle development. To wrap things up, integrating these herbs into your daily regimen can significantly amplify your muscle-building endeavors. However, remember to always consult with a healthcare professional before adding any new supplements to your routine. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to muscle building with powerful herbs. We hope you found this enlightening and beneficial in your quest for muscle growth. If you enjoyed this video, show us some love with a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Here's to successful muscle building.